Hi there, thanks for joining us. I'm Chris McKinnon with the WBZ News Update. An investigation is underway after a construction worker died in an accident at Wynn Casino site in Everett. The company has not released the worker's name at this time out of respect for his family. OSHA inspectors were called to the scene. In a statement, Wynn says, quote, "Our deepest condolences and heartfelt thoughts and prayers go out to his family and co-workers." Officials say a woman was impaled after crashing her vehicle into a fence in Attleboro. This happened on the corner of Parker and Carpenter Streets around 6 on Tuesday evening. The woman was rushed to a Rhode Island hospital and immediately taken into surgery. All across the country, people are remembering Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s life and legacy on the 50th anniversary of his death. Here in Boston, Governor Baker and Lieutenant Governor Polito took to the State House to honor Dr. King. They were joined by local governmental officials and activists as well. Tonight, Dr. King's alma mater, Boston University, will hold a service of remembrance. Now let's send it over to meteorologist Pamela Gardner with a check of our forecast. Hey, Pamela, a lot to talk about.
Oh, yes. Today, it's going to feel like spring with the wind and with the rain, but then big changes on the way for the next several days, and we flip back to a winter-like weather pattern. Pockets of damage possible today since we will have some strong wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour from the south and then switching from the west later tonight, gusts up to 60 as you get farther inland. And that's why we have the advisories and warnings through the rest of today into early Thursday morning. The rain chance ramps up after 2 o'clock this afternoon. As we get that wind, it's going to be windswept rain. So that rain still very heavy across Boston. Cold front moves through. Behind it, we dry off quickly later this evening and temperatures slowly fall, but the wind will continue to be an issue into early Thursday morning, and temperatures falling to near freezing. Could see some icy spots on the roads due to that leftover standing water. But here's your 7-day forecast. We keep the wind around for Thursday, though not quite as damaging or as strong. 43 degrees for the Sox home opener. Chris?
Yikes, Pamela. All right, thank you very much. I'm Chris McKinnon. This has been a WBZ News Update. Have a great day.